Come on, flat top, he come, zoom it up slowly, he got choo-choo eyeballs, he want roly-poly, he say, I know you, you know me. Got to be good looking, 'cause you're so hard to see. Come together right now. Oh, on Boozhoo, Nana Boozhoo. Hey, everybody. Welcome back to Boozhoo, Nana Boozhoo, the podcast about Ojibwe language and culture. And I am Natasha, and this right here is Nana Boozhoo. Please welcome Nana Boozhoo.
Thank you very much. Hello, everybody. Bonjour. And you know what? I think I know what the Ojibwe word should be.
What do you think?
Gizugipon dibakong. Gizugipon dibakong. It snowed last night. Because I just noticed looking out the window, the sun came up. And it's just covered in snow. It's really pretty. Gizugipon dibakong. Gi. That's like talking about the past. Gi. And Zugipon, it snowed. And then Dibakong, last night. Gi Zugipon Dibakong, it snowed last night. And this has been our Ojibwe word of the day. I guess it's a Ojibwe phrase of the day.
Yeah, I suppose it is.
All right. Well, hey, I just want to say miigwech to the people watching today. I want to say miigwech to the lovely Natasha and her beautiful voice.
Oh, thank you.
And then I'll close by saying, I will see you again. Gigawabamin, Minawa, Hoa. All right, think that'll work?
Yeah, I think that's good.
All right.